This is the tutorial for configuring TV control.
Before attempting TV control setup, let's ensure that your smart camera is properly connected. First, locate your primary video device. This could be a set-top box from your cable or satellite company, or a streaming device such as Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV. When you've identified your primary video device, unplug the HDMI cable from the TV side and plug this into the smart camera's input port. Then, plug a second HDMI cable into the camera's to TV port, and plug the other end of that cable into the TV's HDMI port number 1. Now that we have the smart camera and video device properly connected, we can execute TV control setup. If the smart camera has not been through the first time setup, complete the on-screen steps as instructed, then you may reference this video when you reach the TV control portion of setup. If you have already set up the camera and need to configure TV control, simply navigate using the smart camera remote to Apps, Settings, TV Control. At this menu, we will press Next to have the camera automatically detect the primary video device, which is now connected via HDMI to the smart camera. Once it's detected and set up, click Done. At this point, you can now use your smart camera remote to effortlessly switch between live TV and your smart camera. By pressing TV, you will return to live TV, and by pressing Home, you are brought back to the smart camera menu. Some smart TVs that use embedded apps for the primary video experience are not compatible with TV control. Certain smart TVs do allow for CEC control as long as it has been enabled on the TV side. CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control, is a feature that allows the TV to control devices connected over the HDMI cable connection. If this is enabled and supported by your TV, the TV will have the ability to automatically switch over to the camera when you press Home on the camera's remote control. However, navigation back to the embedded applications of the smart TV will need to be done by using the TV's remote control.
This was the tutorial for configuring TV control. Thank you.